Leapion 3-in-1 laser welding machine offers 3 functions: welding, cutting, cleaning. It is made of high-quality sheet metal materials with neat and elegant wiring. Compared with traditional welding methods, laser welding has many advantages. It is fast, safe, easy to operate, perfect welding effect without secondary processing. Equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen, you can adjust machine parameters. It supports 16 process libraries, saving time for parameter adjustment. It supports 18 languages, such as Spanish, Portuguese, etc. Equipped with cutting nozzle which can quickly switch to the cutting function. In addition, it has also cleaning function. It can help remove paint, rust and oil before welding. Leapion, as a global manufacturing company, has been in this industry for many years. We have our own factory with relatively strong production line capacity. Use wooden boxes for packaging to ensure the safety and reliability. We have a dedicated team, including sales group and after-sales service group, which you can communicate with our professional engineers online to obtain the support and solution.